All right, guys, so a couple videos ago, I reviewed the Lawn Stryper versus the Checkmate system. And just in my personal opinion, I like the Lawn Stryper. It just, to me, worked better for me. All right, I used the Checkmate system for about 2 years. It just wasn't working for me anymore. I wasn't feeling it. I know some of you guys have said out there that yours is different, which is fine because, like I said, they build them differently for each mower. So depending on the type of mower you have, you may have a different one and it might work better for you. Wasn't working for me. So I went ahead and stuck with the Lawn Stryper. But what I have today is an upgraded version of that Lawn Stryper. We have the Lawn Stryper GC Pro 21. This thing is impressive, all right? I talked to Steve over at Lawn Stryper and he says that this thing will rival, compared up to, and look just as good as a reel mower stripes. So I don't have a reel mower, but we're gonna see how good of stripes this thing puts down. All right, we're gonna put it up right next to the original Lawn Stryper. We're gonna do the Lawn Stryper first, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna put right up next to it the GC Pro 21 stripes. And we're gonna see which one puts down better stripes. Just out of the box, this thing is impressive. I'm gonna tell you guys right off the bat. Right out of the box, this thing is impressive. But let's go ahead, we'll put down our first set of stripes with the regular Lawn Stryper, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys what this GC Pro 21 looks like. So let's jump into it. All right, guys, so same rules as before. One pass up, one pass down. We'll go ahead and switch on over, all right? Not bad, same as before. All right, let's go ahead and grab that GC Pro 21 though. All right, guys, so here is the GC Pro 21. And as you can see right off the bat, it has this nice brush on the back. So not only are you getting the lawn roller that comes on the Generation 3, the original roller, but you're also getting the brush. All right, so this brush is gonna basically go over that roller and even give you more defined stripes. So I'm very excited to get this on. It should be very simple to go ahead and switch this off. The hardware up here is all the same. There is a slight difference with the bracket that holds it. So it really should be super easy to just go ahead and just switch these on out. I already took the other ones off. Really, we should just be able to clip these in, get the striper on, and we're rolling. So I'm gonna switch this out real quick, and then we'll go ahead and lay down these stripes. And just like that, we're hooked up and ready to go. What I do like about this one is it has more of a ball hitch. That ball hitch is actually pretty cool. I like that a little bit more. It gives it a little bit more freedom to move, I think. But overall, pretty cool. Again, very easy to go ahead and set up, take on and off. So that's always what I'm about, simplicity and making things look good. So the cool part about the brush on the back here is you can use it multiple different ways here. There are 2 knobs on each side and you can loosen these up, okay? And when they're loose, you can have this be more of a free-floating brush, right? So you're just looking for something a little extra, all right? Not too heavy, not too crazy. Then you can tighten it up and have the brush entirely up so it's just high and you're not really doing much, you're just using the regular roller. Or you can push the brush down and then tighten this back up. And now you have, a harder push on those stripes. So I'm gonna make sure, if we're looking to really see which one stripes harder, we're gonna push this brush all the way down. We're gonna tighten it up. All right, so nice and tight on the ground there. You can hear it. It's gonna push that grass down So we're gonna go ahead and lay our stripes and see how they look. Let's get to it. I just gotta say, I am excited for this. I have no idea what to expect. This is the first time we're dropping it on the lawn, but I'm excited to see what this thing does. Let's just do it. Okay, definitely harder stripes here. I mean, not even, my God, like just, wow. Just, okay, so like these stripes are good. Like I can live with these stripes. I could live with these, but oh, these are what my stripes used to look like after they were burned in, all right? That's what they would look like after I would do a double pass on them. Ignore the cardboard over here. Fireworks, we're just doing this after 4th of July here. But oh. We're gonna burn them in. We're gonna burn them in. We gotta see what it looks like. Is there a difference though when we burn them in? I need to see. I need to see. Yeah, those are close to real mower stripes. Look at those things pop. And there's no sun today. It is cloudy, overcast today. There's no sun. No words. Steve, you did it.
You did it. You crazy son of a bitch, you did.
I mean, wow. Just wow. That is amazing. Guys, you can see the difference. All right, yeah, I didn't burn these ones in, but it was a done deal before we even did it. Wow. So there you guys have it, GC Pro 21. If you already have the lawn striping set up and you want even just harder lines, you want to just dominate even harder, go upgrade and get yourself the GC Pro 21. It's super easy to go ahead and just switch it out and use it. Again, man, look, it speaks for itself, guys. It really does. It speaks for itself. So that's it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna mow my lawn some more because this is amazing. And you guys know what to do. Smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, guys, go out there, make it a great day. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one.